Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Horler and I'm here with David Yates of VocaLink, and we're at Money 2020 2016 in Las Vegas. Thanks very much for joining me.
Oh, good to join you.
We're nearing the end of 2016. What, in your view, have been the main themes driving the payments industry this year?
Well, there have been many things, but I'm going to pick out three. The first thing is that real-time payments is a worldwide drive. It's no longer just a UK thing and one or two markets. It's absolutely a global phenomenon, and everybody around the world is looking how they can make their payments infrastructure real-time. The second thing that we're seeing is the sheer weight of regulation upon the market. Some of it opening the market up to new entrants through initiatives like PSD2 and Open API in the UK, but other regulation actually being quite heavy and making it difficult for the banks to stay on top of their workload. And I think the third thing is that payments is becoming a truly global business, and the old national structures that were in place are now starting to be dismantled. So there's been a lot of merger and acquisition activity this year, not least, of course, the transaction under which MasterCard intends to acquire VocaLink. So those are the three main themes.
What opportunities can a real-time payments infrastructure provide to US banks?
So the infrastructure that we're putting into the US isn't just a real-time infrastructure, it's also a big data infrastructure. And in the new commercial reality that we have, companies communicate to each other from system to system, from ERP to ERP, and consumers every day interact with each other across mobile commerce and e-commerce environments where instantly they're trading with each other. We can't have a situation where the payments lag 5 days behind. The risk management doing that is just too big. So for the US banks, the opportunity that presents itself is a root and branch modernization opportunity that will enable them to address some of the unique aspects of the US payments world, not least the preponderance of checks linking people together in environments for invoicing and billing. The ability to make all of that work electronic over a period of time, as well as speeding up commerce more generally and making payments part of business. That's the opportunity.
And is real-time only relevant for domestic payments, or does it extend into international payments?
You know, in reality, a payment is a payment. So we did a piece of research just recently in which even I was surprised by one or two of the findings. In the US, we interviewed 5,000 millennials, so people between the ages of 18 and 35, and it turns out that 50%, 50, not 50% regularly do international payments. So I think this issue or this idea that we have national boundaries and that payment systems within them are adequate is simply not accurate anymore today. That's at a consumer and individual level. For businesses, no, they all need the ability to transact internationally. And frankly, national systems haven't been quite good enough, and international systems definitely not good enough. So there's a huge room for innovation and to be able to connect together real-time payments domestically, but also internationally.
That's great, David. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching.